So you're a reasonable guy, you've worked hard all your life, but it's time to make some money. What are your options? You could get a better job, you could work for somebody else and be vulnerable. You could even start a business. Let's think about starting a business. Business, okay. What's the next thing that's going to happen if you start a business? If you start a business, you're going to have customers. Customers, we know about customers. Customers, they want everything that you don't have. Customers want to buy whatever you can't sell. They want it in whatever colour you don't have. They never want to pay what you want to charge, and they're never ever satisfied. You get no loyalty from customers either. Customers, whew, who wants customers? Hey, well, how about the government? Do we like the government? You bet we don't. The government, they tax us like crazy. If you do something, you're going to pay the government 20%. VAT, whatever the prevailing rate of VAT is where you live, and doesn't matter whether you make money or not, they want their 20%. You run a training course and didn't book enough people onto it, they will make 20% of the turnover of that course. You won't. And even if you do make money, they're going to tax you. They're going to tax you on the profit. So, what do they do with the taxes? They only waste it. Do we like government? We do not like government. Hey, so, do we like suppliers? We don't like suppliers. Whatever suppliers do, they don't do it for us. Whatever colour we want, they haven't got it. Whatever we want to pay, they want to charge more. Suppliers, we don't like suppliers. Regulators, we don't like regulators. Hey, it's getting to be a little bit strange here. What about employees? Need I say more? Have you ever met yet an employee who thinks they're paid enough, who doesn't want more holidays, who doesn't want to do so much work? Do we like employees? Do we really like employing people? Does anyone like employing people? And we get taxed on employing them anyway. There must be someone we like. Sure there is. We're like friends and we're like family. But who else? Well, how about shareholders? Yeah, sure thing. We're like shareholders. However, what we really like are minority shareholders. If you don't want to get into business, if you don't want to get into employment, then what else can you do? You can put your own finances into your very own hands. You can control your own destiny. There's a simple, easy, low cost, low risk way to do that. And there's lots of people who'll tell you it doesn't work, but it does. You can learn to trade currency, and you can learn cheap. You can do it cheap. You can do it with low risk. You can do it with a low input of time, and you can start anytime, no matter whether you're in a job, in a business, because it's not going to take a great deal of your time up. To get started, you need to read Forex Trader magazine. We're talking about a tiny investment. Read it and see.